Hi! Welcome to another video from Gene Paul's Corner, my corner of the world. For this episode, like I mentioned from the past video, we're gonna be unwrapping and unboxing this package that we ordered through Shopee. Okay, so dire-diretso na. So like I mentioned, we ordered this through Shopee sa store na Frugal Geeks. And I think maraming beses na akong umorder dun sa store nila. Kasi usually dun ko nakikita yung mga gusto ko and yung mga kailangan ko sa collection. Medyo nandun siya sa pricey side, pero dahil sa Shopee ko siya in-order, dun tayo kumukuha ng mga unti-unting mga discounts and stuff. So, yeah. Ito includes actually 2 items na I ordered on December 15th and we received this December 17th. So 2 days lang ang ginahol na oras and then andito na sa atin. So we'll go ahead and unwrap this and unbox it and then I'll show you the 2 items. Ipapakita natin yung page nila sa Facebook kasi meron silang page sa Facebook. Although sa Shopee ako nag-order stuff dahil nga sa mga discounts. And then doon makikita nyo rin yung screenshot ng kung ano yung binili ko, how much it was, and how much I got it for. Let's go. And then ito yung order details niya. As you can see, Frugal Geeks, and then Funko Pop My Hero Academia Kyokajiro na large, and then Funko Pop My Hero Academia Katsuki Bakugo na large. So this is yung Pop NT combo ni Kyokajiro and then ni Katsuki Bakugo. And as you can see, each of them is priced at 2,195. So yan yung FRP niya. So merchandise subtotal is 4,390. Shipping fee of 160 pero merong shipping discount of the same amount, so free shipping siya. And then yung Shopee voucher na ginamit natin is 12% no actual price niya, so 521 less. And then may nakuha rin tayong shop voucher sa Frugal Geeks na 50 pesos, so 25 each. So lumalabas na sa 2,170 each yung item, and then less 521, so grand total of 3,890. So based dyan sa details na yan, and then SRP and then less 521, sulit na siya on the 2 items. And ang nagpasulit pa dyan is merong 0% interest kapag nag-SPay later ka for 3 months. So of course merong processing fee of 6 pesos and 90 cents. So naging grand total niya is 3,825 pesos and 90 cents. So 3 periods, so 3 payments of 1,275 pesos and 30 cents starting January. So masusulit, maluluma ko na yung damit, and then sa akin na yung items, and sa March ko pa siya masusuli. Alright, so ito na siya. Ito yung una. So Pop T combo, Pop and T combo. So ito yung metallic na Bakugo, and I realized it was just SE or special edition sticker lang. So ito yung una. So of course yung mga ganito naman, if you have seen yung mga unboxing, unwrapping natin ng mga ganito, talagang nasa plastic lang siya. So meron siyang possibility talaga na ma-damage yung Funko Pop. Pero maraming salamat sa Frugal Geeks kasi aside from dun sa box na naka bubble wrap, individually naka-bubble wrap din siya. Although merong, syempre yung mga yung mismong box na to, merong mga UP. So but hopefully yung Funko Pop box niya is good or is in good condition. So ito siya. Ito yung shirt niya. Pakita natin mamaya. Hindi natin i-unbox yung Funko Pop, and then also hindi natin i-unwrap yung shirt. So matatapos yung video na ito yung shirt natin. So, pero papakita ko yung closer picture. So ito yung una. And then yung other, yung sa Kyokajiro naman is this one. So Pop and T combo ni Kyokajiro. So SE din siya. Then same thing plastic. So hopefully hindi naman damaged yung box. medyo may faded black siguro siya. Alright, so papakita natin yung picture or yung screenshot niya sa PPG in regards sa value nitong dalawa. And then, of course, meron ding picture ng actual Funko Pop and then yung shirt. Pero, of course, tatanggalin natin siya dun sa plastic. And then, tatanggalin natin siya sa actual dito, sa package. So, let's go. And again, let's start with the Katsuki Bakugo na Pop and Tea box set or Pop and Tea combo. So, of course, large yung in-order nating Pop Tea. Or actually, ito lang available dun sa store nila. So, there you go. Katsuki Bakugo Pop and Tea box set, metallic, yung Funko Pop, and large. Estimated value at $28 and under the series ng Pop Teas and Apparel. So, exclusive siya through GameStop. Pero like I mentioned, we actually got yung SE or international sticker nga ng special edition. Reference number 249 kagaya nung OG o yung original na Bakugo. This is just a variant. And then this was released back in April 2020. Related subjects, Dynamite, which is yung shorter moniker or nickname ni Katsuki Bakugo under My Hero Academia. And then closer look ng Funko Pop niya is this. Ayan yan. Same mold yan nung una and then it's just a metallic variant. So I think it's just gonna be the hair and then yung orange sa costume niya and then some of the green dun sa nasa kamay. And then yung shirt is this. My Hero Academia, Work Explosion Class 1A Katsuki Bakugo. Just like what you can see on the box. And then next naman is yung Kyokajiro Pop and Tea box set na large. And this time, this has an estimated value of $30. Then under Pop Animation, Pop Teas and Apparel. This is exclusive to GameStop, but gaya ng picture na nandyan, SE lang din yung nakuha natin. So this is released back in 2022. Related subjects, Kyokajiro, My Hero Academia. And then closer picture ng Pop, ayan, sa stage. So this is yung naka-uniform siya and then yung nag-practice siya or yung pinakita niya kung gaano siya kagaling pumunta o kung gaano siya yung para dun sa festival nila. This is the original mold sa exclusive nito. So I think this is the 4th iteration na character ng Kyokajiro as Funko Pop. And pagdating naman sa Pop Tea, ito siya. So it's a lighter black, so medyo may dark gray siya. And then as you can see, Kyokajiro, same stance ng Funko Pop. And then just like as you can see sa box, so astig yung dalawang shirts. Okay, now it's unboxing time. So, unahin natin. Then, wala na yung plastic niya. So, of course, sa ibabaw mo lang siya mabubuksan kasi ganyan siya. Ito yung ilalim. So, ito, medyo maganda yung box niya. Ito lang yung damage. O yung package niya. Yung box ng box. Yung box ng box. Yung isa kasi medyo merong UP-UP. Open. Pop. So, nakita nyo na yung design niya. Although, ito rin naman yung design niya. And then, so let's start with the Funko Pop. There you go. As you can see, SE. So this is Pop Animation number 249 from My Hero Academia, si Katsuki Bakugo. SE, and pero US released as GameStop. And then, as you can see, yung metallic variant. So kapag siguro nakompleto na natin yung many variants or many iterations ni Katsuki Bakugo, ma-unbox natin siya. This mold is actually part ng Wave 1 pero kasama siya sa ibang wave. So I don't remember yung, kasi sobrang daming wave ng MHA, marami ng Funko Pop. Pero hindi siya kasama dun sa initial wave. Right? And then yung shirt, yeah. So first nakita nyo na rin pero saka na natin siya i-unwrap. Alright, I'm done with the first one. The next is si Kyokajiro. So ayan, yung medyo UP. Pero let's see inside of the box. And punit pa siya, punit. And hindi naman ito yung itignan. Although ikikip pa rin natin itong box na ito. Andiyan pa sa likod yung box. Looks like it's already na-check na nila to. Kasi yan, ganyan. Normally ganito yung UP ng box kapag binuksan ng pag dinaliri. So siguro connect na lang din. So ito yung first pop. Then top. Alright, there you go. So mukhang okay naman yung box. Meron lang merong something dito. Not sure kung makikita pero anyways. Alright, so this is Pop Animation number 1208 from My Hero Academia with Kyokajiro. And like I mentioned, it's SE special edition sticker pero US released as GameStop. Ito rin, meron siyang may hawak siyang mic, nakapikit na kumakanta. And of course, yan yung unang iteration niya. Then yung pangalawa is yung nagigitara, and then yung sa baseball HLB, Hero League Baseball, and then ito. Actually, nauna to. Yung initial Funko Pop niya, and then yung nagigitara, and then ito. Yung basta. And then saka lumabas yung variant niya or yung iteration niya sa HLB. And of course, sa ibang wave siya ni Bakugo. Although same year naman siya ng lumabas, 2022. And then, alright, perfect. And gaya nga ng sabi ko, i-unbox natin silang dalawa. Even before, we will try. Even before we actually pay off itong dalawang packet. So, yung first payment would be, as you saw earlier, January 15. Alright, so this is what we got for our package in order through shopping through Frugal Geeks. So thank you very much for the great purchase. Although hindi na rin naman kasi may iwasan kaya lalo na kapag pag-ship o pag-deliver. So wala tayong paikot today. We'll go ahead and check out comment shoutout from the previous episode. Thank you portion for this episode and the giveaway mechanics for our 12 days of Christmas giveaway event. So let's go Beyond Plus Ultra. Shoutout sa'yo, Edong Reyes. Maraming salamat sa suporta. Paulit-ulit at hindi ako magsasawang magpasalamat sa inyo sa mga sumusuporta sa akin at sa channel, sa mga nanonood ng mga video, sa mga nagko-comment, sa mga nila-likes, and sa mga nagdi-dislikes. And most especially dito sa mga Corner 2 members na walang sawang sumusuporta sa channel at sa akin. So thank you very much for all of your support. Again, thank you very much sa ating purchase for today's episode from Frugal Geeks through Shopee. Yung Katsuki Bakugo na SE stickered Pop and Tea combo, as well as yung Kyokajiro na special edition sticker Pop Tea combo. So like I mentioned, kompleto tayo ng mga variants or mga iteration ni Kyokajiro. We haven't shown you much of them yet kasi medyo na-backlog tayo dito sa mga to. Pero we'll eventually cover these and then so on, and then eventually makakarating din tayo kay Kyokajiro. Although ipapakita kasi rin natin, kasi kinumpleto na rin natin yung apat na new wave ng HLB. So we'll dwell on that in the future episodes. Alright, so kanina meron na naman kayong nakitang secret word or clue na nag-pop up sa screen. So yun, yung word or clue na i-include nyo sa comment nyo on the next episode. But for this episode, make sure to include the secret word na nakita nyo on the previous episode to make sure that your entry for the 12 Days of Christmas giveaway event is valid. And para naman sa mga hula nyo kung whatever is the odd or the even price for this year, throw in your guesses. Anli hula naman. So whatever the clues are describing at may hula kayo, comment nyo lang dun sa 12 Days of Christmas giveaway announcement, and the link is in the description below. Alright, so there you go. So I'll leave you with that. Thank you very much for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe. Do whatever makes you happy as long as you don't step on other people's happiness. Thank you very much for watching, and have a wonderful day. Bye-bye. So, 8 band members. So, drummer and lead vocalist.